Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew, and today is another Culinary Expedition recipe. Today we're in Afghanistan, where I'll be preparing Shorwa Soup. Shorwa Soup is a traditional Afghan soup and a staple in Afghan cuisine. Shorwa Soup has a long history in Afghanistan dating back to ancient times, consumed by nomadic tribes and villagers alike. Shorwa Soup is more than just a meal. It is an act of hospitality and generosity. When guests arrive, Shorwa Soup is often served as a sign of respect and welcome. Let's get to the mise en place. We're going to start with beef stew meat, about 8 ounces or so. And then yellow onion, turmeric, cumin, coriander, carrots, good old russet potato, beef stock, Roma tomato, and cilantro for garnish. Okay, I've got the oil going to getting hot in the medium saucepan. I'm going to add the stew beef. We're going to brown it. All right, the beef is ready. Now I'm going to add the onion and saute these for a few minutes. All right, onions are looking really good. We're going to add some kosher salt and black pepper and all the spices. And we're going to heat these spices so they bloom just for about 30 seconds. Want to bring the essence out of the spices. You can see the fond building up on the bottom. All right, so what we're going to do now is add the beef stock. Bring the heat up. And mix this all together. What I'm doing is scraping the bottom to get the fond off, because as we all know, fond is flavor. I've brought the heat up, and what I'm going to do now is bring it, once it comes to a boil, I'm going to take it right back down to low so it simmers. And it will simmer for 45 minutes. Okay, the Shorwa soup has been simmering for 45 minutes. Let's take a look. Smells wonderful. One of the fun things about doing all these different ethnic and regional cuisines is my house always smells wonderful. So let's go ahead and add the potatoes, the carrots, and the tomatoes. I'm going to bring the heat up a little bit. Get everything stirred in. I'm going to add one last time, some salt and pepper. Get that stirred in. Okay, now the soup the way it is going to simmer with the lid off for about 20 minutes. See you in a few minutes. The Shorwa soup has been simmering with all the goodies for about 20 minutes. Let's take a look. Look at that rich color. Oh, smell-o-vision. I wish we had it. All right, the soup is basically done. Now to the next step. As you can see, everything is beautifully done. And I'm going to add one last item, and that's freshly chopped cilantro. So here's Afghani Shorwa soup, which I'll be serving this with garlic naan. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. If you like this recipe, you can find it and many more on the Casual Chef website. You will also find my cookbooks, international herb and spice blends, t-shirts, and much more. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.